Club with D1 and friends.
Why you just send your driver come on then?
Should we go bring your ATM? Like 7. You don't tell us now.
Okay, you don't need to go send a me go bring table come. You can stand up, your friend. Play. Please, calm down, sorry. This guy, don't look me like witch. Are you a witch?
This guy again, I go make her vex now. Use her house rent, buy Jameson too.
Are you a witch? She say yes. So.
You are a witch? Which of the departmental?
Which of the witch? Sandwich.
Ikeja, brother, which? Maryland.
I beg.
You know you better witch than Maryland and the salt.
Maryland, they get
About there, see, I put like one witch for you.
Wait, go.
And then in a regional listing. Hold on. See your junior colleague.
I believe whether I'm witch now.
In which way?
Father, in the name of Jesus, from the crown of your head to your near me now. From the crown of.
You don't really get that. Just watch. My Lord.
Have I
See
called
this
you?
which they love. This one. You suck your blood now. If you want to suck something, not your blood.
What? Now that one, not
Go so close, so we know where I park outside though, so in case you wait for me. Share me.
this one, you don't hear sucking, you don't hear that. You see, this sucking thing, God forgive me. You don't pass. I'm not supposed to start the gist. I don't start that before I don't say people got to say at me. You don't pass that alley, slow down for that roundabout. All those girls there, just trying to engage them one. Lucy for the alley, no matter the traffic, nobody on. You never notice. I never hear one for day over 7 years. I the traffic, nobody on. No, you take your time.
So now, Christ ever seen they go. That one they explain to them. So you don't take for lane.
Do you not know beggars can't be in this thing? You know, it's a church, lady. There's a church. The church that uses
Something, I know the church. I don't go there before. One church they be send beggars now.
No. One church they use beggars. Nah, there's a church. That's why I feel. That's sorry, not me.
I mean, the carry Asha will tell us, not the.
No, I know they carry you.
Asha will carry you.
Yes.
The
One girl don't do me that thing before. I tell her, I say, Casey, now so they take salam. It's something like the last price. I they say, no mistake. Yeah, I know the year.
Don't be Casey one, no. Casey wear pride in white bread price.
The price
How much? Huh? 15. No, now. We've had sex before, so.
Casey.
No, come on, something.
Come on, money, Joe.
Hey, come on, money, Joe.
Wait, now 15K. Now 50K your wife.
No. I just, rich. Think about 6'5" or something. This boy, he ready there, Papa Ibo. They won't deal with us now. Won't just come. We are the elders of this community. But we're a humble community. We don't reach 5. The guy gonna say, my money is 5,000. This is not quite good. My money is 5,000. Now I say, who won't give you? He say, Enika. I said, who Enika? He said, the group. Baba, more 5,000. Payday. I'm not telling the guy, say, Baba, go tell you, Slan. Lagos, I come from home. Last I collect 2.5 with 1 packet of cigar. Then they got the hill of some God bless you. But we had fun in Uyodo. Carry all right.
We carry with it.
We carry dog meat, Joe.
Dog meat.
Dog.
Nah,
Dog meat.
What you talk about?
What you talk about?
What you talk about?
What you talk about? You Calabar people, when I go up there, one of my neighbors, the body and Daniel. If your papa won't
Oh, you don't deal with Calabar game.
we just talk all that.
Their soundtrack very Nice one. Oh, you're
Akwa Ibom, anybody from Akwa Ibom dey here? They no come, they no dey.
Akwa Ibom person not there here. Don't look for who shot.
Those are their names. Past parties people.
Amra. Now, ladies and gentlemen, stand here first. See, you see these island girls. You know how they know say you not be island girl. Eh? There are some criteria, there are some things that you should have when you stay on the island. First of all, the kind outfit where island the yell, eh? The yell. You just say I like this one. Know your mate.
When you told you listen, have you slapped you?
To Akwa Ibom for Agege go fit you.
The children,
See island girls, they can catwalk. They look and they get long hair. All those island girls. Give me something foreign.
for real?
Yeah. More venom. It be like say you not get.
I got blood on my hands.
Reduce
I ain't
her.
gon' lie, I got blood on my shoes. I ain't gon' lie, I got beer and
I'm out of this. Listen to me. See violence. See island girls.
we out on the gram.
Where my phone? Okay, they here.
All my young niggas chopping up grams, and them choppers won't pop in their hands.
You know you be island guy, oh. We want to ask me out.
Me?
I shock you. You don't enter character. You're a professional. There's supposed to be a thespian. Are you ready?
Sabi island boy.
These niggas be looking at me like I got it. Deep down inside, though, I still feel spark that nigga who just graduated from college. Scraping them chains, they got me. Crazy, two shot it, though, holler, just watch it get off in the stomach. Fucking though, you got a way bigger talk, I would do something that you know.
Come come on their phone. They can get data. See how they dance to song. If they want dance, they play the cream music. Come now, play. It's already liquids. I'll bite your teeth. You can do me. Where are you now? Where be a long guy? Come ask me for dance.
On another level, nigga never seen in their life. Celebrating all your first down, like a touchdown, bring the price.
See you. Because they get long hair. Touch me again. I like it. See their dance. I'm waiting there. This is where hardware.
These guys are
And if they want to kill you, say you get money, they will call you your destiny.
These are not the children they catch me, so.
Those are the talk too much, they will stop you. Say you are moving too fast. Give that one. That's an island. But you see mainland.
Are you fucking loco?
No, leave am. This one, not be this one. This mainland, you know, Lagos na 3 parts. There's island, mainland, and major land. Major land, all those Koko Michael, Abana, that one, see the chorus are again. If you are not bad, see, we don't deliver them. He do shaka with these glasses. You see all those ones there, Ikeja, this one are mainland girls. Oh yeah, play normal average song. Nigerian song. Like, This one they just get it. They don't know too hard. They just dey. Come ask me, make I dance with you. You dey ask person to dance.
Yeah, man, you may not get it.
See me, mainland girls, see their dance.
you see all those Aegi, all those major land.
Hey, Jesus.
In Janiki. Who are you?
Yeah, this one right now.
They are weak, they know the way we go. They are weak, they like sport. They run like this, very aggressive, hard. They eat them like this. Those and they let you go. I don't know what they do. Nah, give me that one. See them. If they like man, they eye up with bad eye. And they can spread it when they sit down. When this one say, if they now from back, they back you.
I can do that strong. What do you do? What's my balls?
Are you fucking want to shake your baby?
So better now. You know what they annoy me, anyone. Now you get this song KPK. Wait it. Tell us something about it. Okay. Okay, Papa. Which they annoy me say. Wait first. Please wait first. I want to understand something. If girls want dance, normal dance. Wait, what's the meaning of this? Wait, I beg, I'm not this one. What's it this? Because that is no, you do away now. Now that you just start. See me that. That thing vex me. They go come on phone. Well, now let me explain what it means. What that song means. Okay. Who is that who says that it is not plenty? You get my point, yeah? OPP, Okoba, it is plenty. I mean, for emphasis sake, it is plenty much. I forget where you get. Where they club? You don't see models. It's very. All those guys where they go yash. Yes, I this song will come. You know, but it doesn't matter. Once this song just enter, play. Once this song enter, like, I say, I can be very petty. That's how they come. What can I do? I go tap. There's nothing. My brothers, why are they shake anything? No, don't be joking. So they get say, I say intelligent man, not the club. All of them go now animal, they go high.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, obviously, doesn't be your comedy club for sure. No, not good. They here. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got comedy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to sound a note of warning. It's very, very important. You see the island and the mainland, I talked about it earlier. Guys way the mainland, they are way better than the guys on the island. I know what I'm saying. You see those guys for island, you can never know when they don't get money. In the package. Guys for island, Alpha now, Chief. That's what they give Alpha now. Too much. They won't borrow money. Instead of you open your mouth, beg, they'll use swag. I get 20 there. I don't say 20. I get like 20K. I just say, yeah, they want to reply now. I'm not so liquid. I love money, they crazy. They get, once they don't get Benz, they don't get iPhone, they dress well. You can never know when they don't get money. And I guess, we transport themselves to the island. Pay, you know how much? Pay like 10K, go. 9,000, go. The guy said, go to use swag, take. Hey, what's up? Hey, where are you? When you get to get, just let me know, eh? Did they get camp boys? Just let me know, eh? Alright now. Once you can't reach their gates, they'll can't stop you. Hi, what are you looking for? Alright, can you call him? Peace back. You call him to say, for this Lagos, let me see this guy, they very... why they get money? The guy come, yeah, she's with me, alright, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, alright, thank you. You can't allow, you call the name of street, Alexandria Drive. You call the for this Lagos, for this guy Yankee name day.
See, the year. See scam. The year. My brother. When you go find the guy for house, when the guy go there say, yeah, I'm not around though. I'm not around the house. You know what? Come to the people, the basketball court. You come go say, basketball court in this country. You come go to the guy for basketball court. With towel. White towel. You come they play basketball, you come they wait, they look. Now you go to tell your girlfriend, hello? Just help me thank God though. Yeah, I'm on Richmond Estate now. Yeah, on the island. No, it's not around. We're at the basketball court. There is basketball court in this country, Joe. My brother, once they don't finish, we play basketball now. They'll come and say, "What's up? Are you hungry? I don't have anything in there. Okay, you know what? Let's take a drive. You go enter their Benz. You now we don't pay 9,000 transport. Go island, oh. You go enter their Benz. You come they drive, and you know say Benz very sophisticated, oh. You just they drive. For another that Benz, oh, and you go see never know. You can't drive enter police station. As they enter police station, just can I get like a 10? You now, because you don't see basketball court, you don't see estate, you don't see Benz. Then you say, I don't have 10,000 here, but I have 8,500. You walk out your 8,500, give them. They don't collect those boys. You just give the guy, give their 10 now. Now you want it straight. For our fuel. Those guys, once they don't buy the, and they can enter filling station where get eatery. So once you don't buy their fuel now, they'll go say, just let me know how much everything is, okay? They'll go enter eatery. You have your ATM there. I'll just do everything together. Now you will see say the guy now, because you know of estates everywhere, they'll come to you order for food. You now got the order for island food. They try and match up. Please, can I have plantain and veggies? To see, you know the stuff where they go. Can I have plantain and veggies? Yeah, vegetable, yeah. No, I can't do beef. Just give me fish. They hear it. When you hear the guy order that, after you come here, the guy will come say, just, do you have a goosey? Just put it. Yeah, keep putting it. This guy, they take a goosey like that. Just put it. And then when they okay, the plastic is up, just, it will enter. Keep putting the goosey, keep putting it. Press it inside. Yeah, you can use rubber band. You go wonder, why this guy don't like egusi? All these rich people, they don't like egusi. You never know why. When you reach house. Oh, island boys. When they begin to turn you, flip you, and your leg. That is easy. I finish it to 2 hours. I'm tired. Can't go anywhere. When they finish it to you, around 2, now you will beg and say, please. As they sit down like that, you guys are seated. It looks as if, I can do this now. I should be able to do better. Until you hold the mic. You go to say, hey? You know, so what they funny for your whole house and for your mind. When you talk them, then you call it. It's like you guys don't understand. Let me make you laugh.
I'm going to anticipate. All right.
I remember when you started also, it was...
Alright, hold on.
As I say when you started...
Let's make it straight. Are we shading each other today or...
No. As I say when you started, they laugh, say, person will never start. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being with us. That will be it for today. A big shout out to all the comedians. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for coming. We'll hand over to International DJ Venom.
Comedy Club with D1 and Friends.